It is only normal and natural if your daughter is in puberty that she's going to begin to question what is different about a boy going through puberty. Do they have some of the same challenges that she's having? What is making their reproductive system different from hers? That is a normal, healthy, inquisitive spirit in our daughters. You know, I recently had dinner with a group of young girls in puberty. And because I'm an anatomist, I think they just felt like this was a safe place that they could ask me lots of questions, and they did. However, all the questions were about boys. They had lots of questions about the challenges that boys face and what's really changing about them, and they wanted to know about sperm. They wanted to know about all kinds of things. I was a little surprised, actually, at how inquisitive they were, but encouraged at the same time. This is healthy, natural conversation. I believe that once we've taught them about puberty and the changes going on in their reproductive system, we have only taught them half the story, that they need to hear about a boy's reproductive system and what's going on there. Remember, our goal is in just a few years, they're going to face challenges with reproduction. And we want them to make the right choices and have them be educated choices, not just, okay, I can just do what I want because it's all natural. We want them to be educated and make good choices. So I want to encourage you that I have written a book, and I'm very excited about it, particularly after having talked to these young girls. It's called I'm a Girl, How Are Boys Different? And it describes the changes that are going on in a boy's reproductive system when they're going through puberty. I think it's going to be interesting. I've not seen a book like this out there before, but I do hope that parents will embrace it and give their daughters an opportunity to learn the whole story, because that's our goal, right? We want them educated. We want them to know how to make the right choices down the road when they're faced with these challenges. And we want them to learn correct information from you and from me as they mature now through puberty to become young adults. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.